My Shoulders episode 16. This is going to be a fashion try-on thrifted haul of items that I will be listing in my Poshmark closet. Most of the links for these items are going to be down in the description below. Sometimes I only have a certain number of links that I can put in, so maybe not everything will be down there, but my Poshmark closet link will be down there. So if you want to go check out any of these items, what I listed them at, how I listed them, those are all going to be down there in the description. I haven't put out a video in about 2 weeks, so this is about 2 weeks of shopping. I think about 3 thrift stores and probably about 8 hours worth of shopping at a thrift store. So I definitely have a lot of items in this haul, and I'm going to be showing you some of the pieces that I think are really, some of them are a little bit more trendy, and then some of them are just very classic. One of my favorite items from this haul is something that has been made popular by Kate Middleton, Meghan Markle, Blake Lively. I found a piece at the thrift store that all of these women have been wearing, and it's amazing to me what you can find at a thrift store. And I'm gonna be showing you how I styled everything, and I just love so much of it. A couple of pieces I might keep for myself, so those aren't going to be listed in my Poshmark closet, but most everything else will be. So this is a lookbook of sorts for what I will be or already have listed this week in my Poshmark closet. Let's get into the haul. This first item is a sweater. It's a vintage sweater. I had to pick it up because the multicolored stripe trend is just everywhere. Plus, I loved the deep gemstone type of colors in this sweater. It reminded me a little bit of Gucci. This next outfit is all thrifted. The top is by J. Crew and the skirt is by Loft, which I don't always pick up, but it had the front button-down buttons, which is really trendy right now, so I went ahead and got it. This is a Free People sweater top. I love this color. Anytime I find this color in a good brand, I always buy it because this olive green color, it sells so well. This is a chambray top from J. Crew. I love this. It just goes with everything. And then these are Adriano Goldschmied jeans. I love the color combination. It works as a really good base layer for jackets like this one. I love the Sherpa lining on this LL Bean denim jacket. This is another jacket. This one is new with tags from Anthropologie. This yellow color is so trendy right now, and I love this style too. This is a vintage Calvin Klein denim jacket. This one is a size large, which I think looks so good on any size really. It looks cute, oversized, and you can throw it on top of any jeans and a t-shirt and it looks cute. This is a Patagonia Cinchilla zip-up jacket. I love this. It's so comfortable. This is a Banana Republic vest. I got this because it had down in it. I don't always pick up Banana Republic, but this was so cute. It was a neutral color and it had down in it. This was quite the find. This is a Burberry dress. It has a beautiful rope detail on the waist, and it's so chic. I love the black color and then the style of it. And then I also found this Burberry Brit jacket. It has the Burberry pattern on the inside of the sleeve, which is just classic to Burberry, and on the collar. This is a vintage sweater. This is by Connie A. Lee, which I looked that up and I couldn't find a sweater under $50 for this vintage brand. The materials that are used in these sweaters is really nice. This one has Angora in it, which is just such a soft feel. And then this is a duster cardigan. I love this length. This is Ralph Lauren, which is a good brand to get. I love picking up that brand, and The pieces are always really classic. This is a top by Theory. I love this. It's a little bit of a trendy style. I don't always buy Theory. I actually find it fairly often, but I like picking up a little bit more modern pieces. This sweater is from Anthropologie. This is by the brand HWR. Other people call it Monogram, I think, but this collar detail is just so beautiful. You can button it so it looks more like a cowl neck, or it can be worn kind of like a capelet. This is a sweater, a very basic layering piece from J. Crew, and then these jeans are High Rise by Madewell. And then this cardigan, I love it so much. This one is by Ralph Lauren. This brand I haven't found too many times. This is Kate Spade. This pink color is so bright and very typical Kate Spade. This is a Peter Som sweater. This particular one was sold at Anthropologie. And then these are Adriano Goldschmied jeans. These are kind of like the relaxed style. This is such a comfortable dress. This is from Anthropologie. It's by the brand Moth, and I love that blue color. It looks like wool, but it's not wool. And then I got these classic Levi's high-rise mom jeans. And then this is a Madewell tank and a Lacoste. This is vintage, a Lacoste sweater. Here is another Patagonia. Anytime I find Patagonia, I usually buy it. And then this is a J. Crew piece. This is a perfect layering piece. It looks so cute with a jacket on top of it. And if the hood kind of pops out, it just looks so cute. Plus it's a neutral color. This is a Rag & Bone sweater. This brand is usually sold at higher end department stores. Here's a J. Crew sweater. I love the style of this one. I love the sleeves and the collar, and it's really comfortable. Here's another Patagonia in the mustard color. Such a good color right now. And then this is a Calia sweater. The tag wasn't in the sweater, but that's the logo there. It kind of looks like the Poshmark symbol turned sideways. Here's a sweater from Athleta. I love getting Athleta, especially if it is a sweater like this one. This is by a brand called Doe and Ray. This came as a set. I love this so much. Doe and Ray is sold at places like Nordstrom. It's not a very expensive brand, but it is really good quality and the pieces are really cute. And then I paired it with this sweater on top. This set looks so adorable for fall with a pair of booties and a jacket just thrown over the shoulders. It could be a denim jacket. It could be a jacket like this Angora one, or a blazer even. This is the blazer that I was so excited to find. This is by a brand called Smythe, and Kate Middleton is known and has made this blazer very popular. It is called the Duchess blazer, so I'm not surprised that she likes it. Blake Lively has also been seen wearing this brand, and there's the logo there. This has real leather elbow patches, and I think the print on this is just so beautiful. The pockets are really flattering, and the elbow patches add a nice little touch too. Very similar to the last blazer is this one. This one is black and white with yellow in it. And this is by the brand called Pendleton. Pendleton is usually vintage when I find it, a vintage brand. And usually the pieces are very vintage looking. I don't buy it very often, but I do love finding pieces like this. This is a brand that I've only found a few times, but I really love it. This is by the brand Spider, which is more of an athletic wear brand. And the price point for Spider is typically pretty high. that is the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you'd like to watch another haul video, you can click right over here. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you can click up here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.